So just like with all of my videos, let's get right into it. This video, we're going to talk about how you can create a ZackDFilms style video. This is the Fractal video shuffler. If you've never heard of it, the idea behind it is to be the ultimate YouTube automation studio. So it has a lot of AI capabilities as well as normal, just video editing capabilities like Premiere Pro, your CapCut, or your After Effects will have. Of course, it has motion graphics and all that other stuff. But today, we're going to be talking about the AI video creation. So here on the left, if you toggle open the video editing, you'll have the video creator. And so the video creator automatically creates videos for you. Of course, you can also add your own stuff and work inside of the video creator yourself, but it is designed to automatically create videos for you. And if you have the right plan, you can create with AI, and this is what we're going to be talking about today. And so this is going to be the fastest way to create any type of AI video. And so you see a lot of tutorials online that teach you how to make these type of videos. And then also you might have had ideas from generating videos in Midjourney, stuff like that. This is the only tool available that does it all for you. And so today we're going to show you one of many ways. There are multiple ways to make videos using the AI builder. So we'll have multiple tutorials, like you can create videos based off of YouTube videos, which will copy the style of that. You can also create videos based off of a script, and then we also, you click into here, we also have different presets, and so we'll go over that as well in another video. But in this video, we're just going to be talking about how to recreate the ZackDFilms in one click. And so you can do it from generating from the script, or if you already have a script, you can always use a script that you have as well. So, for example, if you were creating your script in the script shuffler, you could create the script in the script shuffler, save it, and it will show up here. And then it would also show up in that list that you have. And so I have this script here that I'm going to use. I'm just going to copy that. And I am going to open up the video creator. What you can do, you can just paste the script here. And so if you want to read it, we have flames. We're already licking the sky. And so this is a script that I generated using the script shuffler, and it uses a very similar ZackD style film. So if we create with AI, you'll see that it loads that up. And then we just go next, and then we can choose the type of video length. I want to create a short, so I'm going to do 1 minute. And I'm not going to do the voiceover because I'll do that separately. But if you want it, you can always select your voice and the pacing. But we're going to skip that and just create a 1 minute video. And then, of course, you have the configuration. And so this is where you're able to choose what your video editor does. And so the creating with AI essentially it pairs you with a AI video editor. So there's no need to go and hire a video editor anymore. Now you can work with an AI video editor and it'll do it exactly how you want. So you'll see that there are multiple different options here. And so every time you come in here, you can choose what you want the AI video editor to do for you, and he will go out and he will make that video. And so for the sake of this video, we just want a ZackD style film. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do the images for now. We can always do a video, but we're going to do the images. And then we're going to select it, and you'll see that it'll load up the image generation feature, which is just one of the features here. And again, this is a diamond only feature. But if you click on the settings, it's going to open up the image generation settings. So this is where you'll be able to really configure this exactly how you want it. And so since we want to have a ZackD film, I'm going to set the background to default. And I'm going to change this to, trying to remember, I think I want to do 3D render. for this one, because this would be fern. Yeah. So cinematic 3D isn't bad. I think I want to do 3D render to try to get that blender effect. And of course, you can upload a character if you want, but since we want a ZackD style film, which is a bunch of different, very graphic images based off of what your script is, we'll do that. And now that we have that set up and configured, we'll just go ahead and click create video. And so that's going to start generating AI images using Nano Banana, excuse me. And it's going to base it off of the script that we created. And once it creates that, we essentially have our video ready to post, ready to go, all in one click. And if you, instead of doing the AI image video, which is what I did here, if you wanted to do AI video, you could do that instead, and that would generate multiple video clips. But in this situation, we're just going to do AI images. And so that might take a little bit to generate all those images and download them. So we'll see how long that takes. And now we are done. And so there you have it. Now we have a ZackD style film. You can press play here. You can see what it looks like. And this video is ready to go. Once I put the Once I put the voiceover, I'm going to generate this voiceover. So if you wanted to see that as well, all you have to do is, I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to go into the voiceover studio, and I'm going to select that same script here. I'm going to select the voice, and I'm just going to click generate. It's going to generate that voiceover for us. And so from there, all I have to do is add the voiceover. Now I have my voiceover here, and I have it saved. All I have to do is go back to the little video creator. Of course, you could have did it all in one go, but I wanted to show you multiple tools here at once. But if you come back in here and you just add audio, this is the audio we just created. We'll see, it'll add it here at the end. Sorry. If you just click on it, it'll be playing in the background. If you wanted to change the volume here, good. And then yeah, just go to File and Export, and we'll save this as test video, and we'll just wait for that to finish, and you'll see that video at the end of this one. If you like this one, please leave a comment. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. The goal is for this Shufflr, or the video Shufflr, to be able to create multiple different styles of videos, and it will continue to be able to make different styles. So from Fern to ZackDFilms to Wojak, and I'll have multiple videos, multiple examples and trainings on how to do that. And yeah, and as long as you guys subscribe and keep showing your support, I'll keep working on this, and eventually we'll have something that is really, really exceptional and works to create stories that you really want to tell in the way that you want to tell them. That's all I got for this one. Please, please, please do leave a like and comment, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.
Flames were already licking the sky when the ship began to rumble. In the port of Texas City, 1947, a freighter named Grand Camp was on fire, but no one realized what it was carrying: over 2,000 tons of ammonium nitrate fertilizer, the same chemical used to make bombs. Firefighters rushed in. Spectators gathered to watch. Then, boom! The ship erupted with the force of a small nuke. A mushroom cloud shot 2 miles high. Windows shattered 10 miles away. Cars flipped. Oil tanks burst. And the blast wave hit the town like a hurricane of fire and metal. Almost everything within a mile just ceased to exist. The harbor was gone. The docks were gone. The people, gone. Even the ship's anchor was found a mile inland. When rescuers finally arrived, they said it looked like the end of the world. But the real shock? That fertilizer was meant to grow crops. Instead, it erased an entire town from the map.